if I told you that your FireStick actually hides a secret channel that the official channels will never tell you? Once activated, it can instantly unlock a whole new digital entertainment world, allowing you to watch movies, live TV, and all the hottest sports events. Would you believe me? Let's start with a little treat. My private chat group is currently having a massive, grand giveaway featuring exclusive device configurations and tons of 24-hour VIP test accounts. A truly generous offer. If you haven't joined yet, click the link in the description below the video or the pinned comment to join now and secure your spot. All right, enough chit-chat. Let's get straight to today's topic: how to fully unleash the potential of your FireStick. First, pick up your remote and go to the search icon on the home screen. Type downloader and download the app with the orange icon and white arrow. After installation, do not open it yet, as we haven't granted the system's core permissions. Press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, and find My Fire TV. If you don't see developer options in the menu, don't panic. Tap About, select your device name, and then quickly tap the center OK button on your remote 7 times until a message pops up at the bottom of the screen. You are now a developer. Return to the previous menu and tap to access the developer options you just unlocked. First, turn on ADB debugging, then scroll down to Install Unknown Apps. Find the downloader app in the list and turn it from off to on. This step is crucial, otherwise subsequent files will not be able to be written. Now return to the home screen, open the downloader app, and accurately enter the player's unique shortcode 959386 in the URL address bar at the top. Then tap Go. The system will automatically redirect and begin downloading the file. The entire process takes only a few seconds. Once the download is complete, tap Install and then tap Done after installation. Return to the home screen, open the newly installed app, and immediately enjoy a smooth and seamless streaming audio-visual experience. If you found today's sharing helpful, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. I'm your tech guide. See you in the next video.